Okay, this is a super quick one. There's this new fluid solver standalone application from Storm called HydroFX. Here's a demo scene. I've just simulated it. This is me just scrubbing through the cache that you would hit simulate. But if you want to write it out and get it into Blender, which is the first thing you want to do, right, is go File, Preferences, check the right cache file, put it somewhere in Blender. Here it is in Blender. I've had to set up a geometry node thing to render it because it can't defaultly. It's basically just points. When you import the alembic, so you would go and you can't see it. You think, oh, it hasn't imported. So when you would go File, Import Alembic, select the first frame, put sequence, and you're thinking, oh, it's not there. I can't see anything when you load it in, right? But the thing is, it is there. It's just its points, and because points don't render, so you need to render the points. So to render the points, I found that, well, just literally, I've only spent 5 minutes on it, but I think it's worth showing. It's basically I put the points to volume to mesh, and I've added a geometry node thing to it to the Storm points, and now we have some geometry. So super quick. I'm not gonna so now we've got something to render. I mean, the next thing is like, is there any way of getting motion vectors out of the alembic? Because obviously you want to be able to motion blur the water should you render it out, right? Or sludge or whatever this is. Okay, I'm going to stop the video, but that was, I just thought I'd do a quick one.